Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete a highlights on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Then tap on profile icon and all highlights in Instagram. Just tap on this highlight and click on three dot option. Okay, just tap on archive highlights. Click to delete a highlights on Instagram. Try another. Just tap, just press, tap on this option to delete. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.